Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram automatically without the password. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing on your iPhone, Android, or computer is making sure that password is saved to your device. To do that, we can just go over to the app library or search for the Passwords app and open that up. Now, all you need to do, let me use my Face ID real quick. All you need to do is find that Passwords app if it's already in there, or find the Instagram password rather. And if it's not in there, you can just tap on the little plus at the bottom right. And you can enter in Instagram.com and then username as your email address or just your username, and then the password on here. So this is one easy way to be able to log in by just saving it into Google Chrome or the Passwords app. However, if you don't want to do this, another great option is just tapping on Instagram, and you can see here is Trevor Nace. I can tap on it, and just like that, it logs me in without needing to enter in that password. If you wanted to turn that on so that it automatically logs you in, what you're going to do is tap on the profile button at the very bottom right, and then tap on those three lines at the top right. Now, I'll show you how to do this if you are already logged in, and then how to do it if you're not already logged in. Now, let's tap on Account Center at the very top, and then you can see Password and Security. Let's just tap on that. After we've done that, all we need to do is go to Saved Login, and of course, this is for Instagram. Once you're on here, you can see Save Login Info. Do you want to remember this in your iCloud? And if this is toggled off, all you need to do is toggle it on. Now, let's say you're not already logged in. You're logged out of it, but you want to save that information. Let's go back out here, and I'm going to tap on that three lines at the top right, and I'm going to log out of my account and then log out. And now I'm going to remove those profiles. So let's hit Remove Profiles from this device so that it won't remember any of these. So I don't have that saved login on there anymore. I'm going to, let's just say use another profile. And now it should automatically pop up with that password that you saved in the Passwords app. So you can see I can just tap on it here and use selected password and use my Face ID. Just like that, it will use that password. Let me try that again. And you'll be able to see it should log in. After you do log in, a lot of times it will prompt you just like this. Save info for login. We'll save the login info for Trevor Nace onto your iCloud device. Or if you have a different device like Android, it'll save it onto your Google account. And then just hit save. And just like that, you'll be able to easily log back in without necessarily needing the password. You just tap on it and you're back in your account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.